Yeah. Over there.
Oh,
see that?
Yeah.
So you can see right through the floor when you're in one of these.
Wow. That's cool.
What do you think of that, man?
That's really cool.
And then all your controls above your head.
Holy. Yeah, and over there too
Yep.
on the side.
All that stuff. I think those are breakers.
What, something went wrong?
Yep. So you can push your breakers in and hopefully reset stuff. Or actually, somebody else would have to do that, I think.
Parking brake? Oh, parking brake.
Yep. I'm not sure if that's for the rotor or for the wheels.
It could be for both. Wow.
It's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah. What's that? Oh, that's supposed to be. Oh wow. Does that tell you that you're steady?
Yep. It tells you which direction you're in because that's a compass up top. It tells you which direction you're pointed in.
I'm guessing this tells you how fast you're going.
Yep.
And that's the temperature.
Yep.
And I don't know anything else, but
Ready to bail out?
yeah. Oh, it's hot in
Give
here.
somebody else a shot in there, man.
What are these?
It says trail lines, so that means they would
How
put
about it?
lines out of the aircraft and
That was awesome.
let them trail